Managing cholesterol levels is crucial for maintaining heart health and preventing cardiovascular diseases. High cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Therefore, understanding how to effectively lower cholesterol is essential for everyone, especially those at risk. In this video, we will explore the powerful role that dietary fiber plays in cholesterol reduction. Today, you will learn how fiber works to lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, while promoting HDL, or good cholesterol levels. We'll discuss the different types of fiber, soluble and insoluble, and how incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet can lead to significant health improvements. But it's not just about numbers on a lab report. Making natural dietary changes can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. By choosing whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes, you can enjoy a variety of delicious foods while taking control of your heart health. Join us as we delve into practical tips and tasty recipes that will help you harness the power of fiber to lower cholesterol naturally and enhance your quality of life. Cholesterol is a waxy, fat-like substance found in every cell of the body. It plays a vital role in producing hormones, vitamin D, and substances that help digest foods. However, not all cholesterol is created equal. There are two main types: LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol, and HDL, known as good cholesterol. LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. High levels of LDL can narrow the arteries, restricting blood flow and potentially causing serious health issues. On the other hand, HDL cholesterol helps remove LDL from the bloodstream, transporting it to the liver for elimination. Higher levels of HDL are associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Understanding these types of cholesterol is essential for maintaining heart health. This is where dietary fiber comes into play. Fiber, particularly soluble fiber, can help lower LDL cholesterol levels by binding to it in the digestive system and promoting its excretion. Incorporating fiber-rich foods into your diet not only supports healthy cholesterol levels, but also offers numerous other health benefits, including improved digestion and better blood sugar control. Fiber plays a crucial role in managing cholesterol levels, particularly soluble fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system. This unique property allows it to bind to cholesterol molecules, preventing their absorption into the bloodstream. As a result, the body excretes more cholesterol, leading to lower LDL levels and improved heart health. Numerous studies have demonstrated the positive impact of fiber intake on cholesterol levels. Research indicates that individuals who consume a diet rich in soluble fiber can experience a significant reduction in LDL cholesterol. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that increasing soluble fiber intake by just a few grams per day can lead to a measurable decrease in cholesterol levels over time. To reap these benefits, it's essential to meet the recommended daily fiber intake, which is about 25 grams for women and 38 grams for men. However, most people fall short of these guidelines. By incorporating fiber-rich foods such as oats, beans, lentils, fruits, and vegetables into your diet, you can effectively support your cholesterol management efforts and promote overall heart health. Incorporating soluble fiber into your diet is a delicious and effective way to help lower cholesterol levels. Some of the best sources of soluble fiber include oats, beans, lentils, and various fruits. Oats are particularly well known for their cholesterol-lowering properties, making a warm bowl of oatmeal a great breakfast choice. Beans and lentils are not only rich in fiber, but also packed with protein, making them perfect for hearty soups, stews, or salads. Fruits like apples, oranges, and berries are excellent sources of soluble fiber as well. You can enjoy them as snacks, add them to smoothies, or include them in desserts for a healthy twist. To maximize the benefits of these fiber-rich foods, consider incorporating them into your daily meals. Start your day with oatmeal topped with fresh fruit, add beans to your lunch salads, or prepare a lentil soup for dinner. Don't hesitate to explore new recipes featuring these ingredients. There are countless creative ways to enjoy soluble fiber, from savory dishes to sweet treats. By experimenting with different recipes, you can make healthy eating enjoyable while effectively managing your cholesterol levels. Incorporating fiber into your diet can be a game changer for your health, but it's important to do so gradually to avoid digestive discomfort. Sudden changes in fiber consumption can lead to bloating or gas, so start by adding a small amount of fiber-rich foods to your meals, and slowly increase the quantity over time. Meal planning is a great strategy to ensure you include fiber-rich foods in your diet. Consider dedicating a day each week to plan your meals, focusing on incorporating whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables. For example, you might plan to have oatmeal for breakfast, a bean salad for lunch, and a vegetable stir-fry for dinner. Additionally, make it a habit to read nutrition labels when shopping for packaged food. Look for items that list a higher fiber content, aiming for products that contain at least 3 grams of fiber per serving. This simple practice can help you make informed choices and discover new fiber-rich options. By gradually increasing your fiber intake, planning your meals thoughtfully, and paying attention to nutrition labels, you can easily boost your fiber consumption and enjoy the numerous health benefits it offers. While increasing fiber intake is a powerful strategy for managing cholesterol levels, several additional lifestyle changes can further enhance your heart health. One of the most important factors is regular physical activity. Engaging in at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic exercise each week can help raise HDL, the good cholesterol, while lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol. Activities like walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing not only improve cardiovascular health, but also boost overall well-being. Maintaining a healthy weight is another crucial aspect of cholesterol management. Excess weight can contribute to higher LDL levels and lower HDL levels, increasing the risk of heart disease. By adopting a balanced diet and staying active, you can achieve and maintain a healthy weight, which in turn supports better cholesterol levels. Additionally, it's essential to reduce saturated and trans fats in your diet. These unhealthy fats can raise LDL cholesterol levels and should be limited. Instead, focus on incorporating healthier fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. By combining these lifestyle changes with increased fiber intake, you can create a comprehensive approach to improving your cholesterol levels and promoting long-term heart health. Regular cholesterol testing is essential for maintaining heart health and preventing cardiovascular diseases. By keeping track of your cholesterol levels, you can identify potential issues early and take proactive steps to manage them. It is generally recommended that adults have their cholesterol checked at least once every 4 to 6 years. However, if you have risk factors such as a family history of heart disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure, more frequent testing may be necessary. Understanding your cholesterol numbers is crucial for assessing your health. A total cholesterol level below 200 milligrams per deciliter is considered desirable, while levels between 200 and 239 milligrams per deciliter are borderline high. Levels above 240 milligrams per deciliter are high and may require intervention. Additionally, knowing your LDL and HDL levels can provide insight into your heart health. Lower LDL levels and higher HDL levels are ideal. Consulting with healthcare professionals is vital for personalized advice based on your individual health profile. They can help interpret your cholesterol numbers, recommend lifestyle changes, and determine if medication is necessary. By staying informed and proactive about your cholesterol levels, you can take significant steps toward a healthier heart and overall well-being. In this video, we explored the vital role of fiber in lowering cholesterol naturally and promoting heart health. We discussed how soluble fiber found in foods like oats, beans, lentils, and fruits can effectively bind to cholesterol in the digestive system, leading to lower LDL levels. By incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your diet, you can take significant steps toward managing your cholesterol levels and improving your overall well-being. We also highlighted the importance of adopting a holistic approach to heart health, which includes regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, and reducing saturated and trans fats in your diet. Monitoring your cholesterol levels through regular testing is essential for staying informed about your health and making necessary adjustments. Now is the time to take actionable steps toward a healthier diet. Start by planning meals that include fiber-rich foods and gradually increase your intake. If you found this information helpful, we invite you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family. Together, we can spread awareness about heart health and empower others to make positive lifestyle changes. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more health tips.